So to start this problem, I want to gather my basic information. So I need to compute the sample average here. X bar is 113.75. And of course, the standard deviation we need as well, and that's 93.9. I would run that data in Excel, type it in Excel real quick, and just use Excel to compute these. But of course, you can do it by hand if you need to. What are we trying to figure out here? It says we've got a cutoff. It's considered unsafe to swim if this 100 millimeter vial contains more than 88 coliform bacteria on average. And so we're looking for statistical significance here. So notice that our average is above this cutoff. It is above 88. What we want to know is it statistically significant at confidence level 0.01. So my assumption is that nothing is going on and everything is fine. I'm looking for evidence that the beaches are unsafe, and you can read that here on the second to last line. So that dictates my first step. My null hypothesis is that everything is fine, that mu is less than or equal to 88. Mu is the true bacteria level on these beaches. My alternative hypothesis is that no, the beaches are unsafe, that mu really is greater than 88. So that's what I'm looking at. For step 2, I'm going to compute my t-statistic, which is just x bar is 113.75, subtract 88, divide by standard deviation, and that gets divided by square root of the sample size, which is square root of 12 in this case. And you should get 0.95 out. And you ought to have kind of a sense that that's a pretty small t-statistic. I'm going to have a large tail when I look at the area to the sides of that. I'll leave the app to you, but you want to compute the probability that the t-distribution with 11 degrees of freedom is greater than 0.95. Make sure that you see the connection here, how I'm getting that direction, right? When you plug this into the app, you should get out 0.181. That's a very large p-value, and so we are going to conclude that the data is not statistically significant and does not support the claim that mu is greater than 88. There's not any evidence that mu is greater than 88. It's sort of the classical way you would say this is that we would fail to reject the null hypothesis in classic language.